How does a majority opinion form in state Supreme Courts? Imagine a room filled with the brightest legal minds in a state, each bringing their own perspectives and interpretations of the law. When a case is brought before the highest court in the state, these justices gather to decide on the outcome. The process of forming a majority opinion begins long before the final decision is announced. It involves careful discussion, debate, and negotiation among the justices. Initially, the case is assigned to a justice or a panel of justices who will write an opinion explaining the court's reasoning. This opinion, known as the opinion of the court, reflects the view that most justices agree upon. Before reaching this point, justices often circulate draft opinions among themselves, proposing different legal interpretations and arguments. These drafts are revised and refined through discussions during court sessions and private conferences. During these conferences, justices openly discuss their viewpoints, question each other, and attempt to persuade their colleagues. The goal is to find common ground or at least reach a consensus on the legal principles that should guide the decision. If a majority of justices agree on the outcome and the reasoning behind it, they form what is called the majority opinion. This opinion becomes the binding decision of the court. The process of forming a majority opinion can involve multiple stages. Sometimes, justices who initially disagree may change their views after hearing the arguments and considering alternative perspectives. In some cases, a justice who writes a separate opinion, known as a concurring opinion, agrees with the majority decision but for different reasons. Conversely, a justice who disagrees with the majority may write a dissenting opinion explaining their opposition. The composition of the majority opinion is crucial because it sets legal precedent within the state. It provides guidance for future cases and helps ensure consistency in the application of the law. The process emphasizes thorough discussion, respect for differing viewpoints, and the collective effort to interpret the law accurately and fairly.